What's good, YouTube? So I have another video. This one's for the Explorer ST. I know my content's been lately on the Explorer ST. I haven't really done anything to the Can-Am. I still owe you guys a video on the dyno for the Can-Am, so I am trying to work it in my schedule. But for now, I ordered this hitch mount, or not a hitch mount, but I guess it's a hitch mount cover. So this goes into the hitch of the Explorer. It's custom made and it covers everything back there. So it comes with these two plastic pieces here that will wrong side, go like this, and then eventually it'll mount like this, and it should cover the hitch in the rear. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put it together and then we'll go outside and mount it on. I prefer to use Loctite for bolts. It doesn't say in the instructions. They did send some instructions. And I bought this I found it through a Facebook forum for the Explorers STs. Here's the business card. But let me put this together. Alright, so we have it all placed together. They do send an extra one. And this is kind of to hold it in place. That way people can't just kind of easily steal it. So that's pretty nice. It comes with all the hardware and the tool. So now let's go outside and mount this. Alright, so it's perfect timing. I'm actually about to go to the car wash. So good thing we have this. So the way it goes is this should fit right in here. And we should hear a little click. So that feels pretty good. So now we're gonna put that bolt on the bottom. This should kind of hold it in place. And if you own one of these, you know this part was missing on this Ford Explorer. This should have came from factory. And he does make them with the ST red. I kind of this wasn't an option. I kind of commented and told him this is kind of how I would have preferred it. Just the ST engraving. I like to keep things kind of simple. So this way it doesn't stand out. It matches the bumper. It's all blacked out. But you have a cool big ST emblem on the hitch cover. So you can kind of see my fingerprints on there, but I'm gonna wipe it off when I'm at the car wash. Let me give you guys a closer look of how it looks underneath as well. Alright, so here's the sides. And here's the underneath where the bolt goes.